Okay, I am going to show you that same circuit, the 9-volt battery that uses a resistor to turn on the light. And then we'll make a, and I'm going to do it here in 123D circuits. It's an Autodesk thing. It's online. You can sign up for an account and make your own circuits. So it's a pretty cool tool, and it's better than watching my hands and plugging stuff in where it's hard to see. So you should recognize this. It's a breadboard. And what I can do is I can add components to it by clicking my components thing. And I'll scroll. I'm going to take a 9-volt battery and I just go boop. And now I have my positive in the positive channel and my negative in the negative channel. And I want an LED, so I just drag that out. You could see this leg is the longer leg, and when I point to it, they tell me that it's the anode, which is the positive leg, and that's the cathode or ground. So that's the same as we had it before. And if you recall, we can go from the power. So if I want to create a jumper cable, I just click and drag. So this cable's red to show that it's my power. And I'm going to have that go into a resistor. So I take my resistor, which look like they only go up and down. So I'll place it here. So one side of my resistor's in the positive end, and resistors don't have specific ends, so it didn't matter which way it went. Now this resistor, I get to set the capacity of it over here. It defaults to 1 kiloohm. I'm going to go to regular ohm and 330 because that's the one we tend to use when we're first starting out. And you'll see that the stripes change to the one that you'll actually be using, which is kind of fun. So I want the other end of this resistor to go into the same column as my long leg. So I got power going through the resistor, going into the anode or positive leg of my LED. And I'm almost done. I just need to ground my short leg into ground, and I can do that by clicking. Now I'm going to make this black just for consistency of showing ground cables in black, just as I'm showing positive cables in red. And since this is sort of neither, whoops, because that cable's kind of neither, I'm going to click it and make it purple. So if this circuit is correct, and it should be, because we flow from the positive side through the resistor, through the LED, back to the negative side. So it should be a complete circuit. I can see if it is by clicking my Start Simulation button. Yay, my light came on. So that's a complete circuit, and it's the same one that I did in the live video just above. So I'm going to keep this circuit, and I'm going to show you how we would add a switch to it. So you can check that out down below.